Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue.
What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this interesting tech which is essentially a power bank, but it's kind of very like one that can be used on the go. So it's got a support, so you don't need to carry any cables and stuff. It's about 10,000 milliamp hours. As you can see on this box, it says it's the BYGP-B01, 10,000 milliamp hours, and 5500, that's the rated capacity, 5100 milliamp hours. Output power is 10 watts. 5 volts, 2 amperes is essentially the input, so you can charge at 2 amperes. Made in China, and this is a power bank in essence. If you don't like power banks, you can also switch to another video, but this is the one that has all the cables and ports and stuff, so you don't really need any cable to be used to charge your device. Here's a quick unboxing of this one, and here's everything that you get in this box. You've got a Type-C cable to charge, you've got a user manual as well, and it says obviously how you can connect to different devices and you can charge and stuff, and smart mobile power, that's the user manual. Let's get rid of everything else, and here's what you get. Very simple design. The box is shit. Right, so what do we have here? We've got the device here which has the cables, so it's all nice and flat, not as flat but it's quite flat. Let me get the screen opened. It's so good, like nice and cool. Alright, so it's got also a lanyard to hang around. It's got probably these are lights. There's a micro USB, Type-C, and a USB-A port as input, or probably output as well. These are the inputs, and this is probably an output. Kind of input and output, so you can obviously use them in a dual and selective way. And what is that? Must be for the lanyard. If you want to remove the lanyard, just get rid of this and you have a power bank. And it's got obviously a screen which was kind of being protected, so let's quickly turn it on. Maybe it's just discharged and won't work. Give it a try. Oh, okay. 25, 50, 75, so it's 75% charged. So yeah, okay, so the lights have turned on, and if you wanted to like turn it off, just press this, keep holding on to this for a few seconds, and the lights are going to turn off, and actually the whole power bank's going to turn off. So I'm assuming that this is just specifically for the lights, and just keep it turned on, like keep holding on to it. And don't know what, how do you sort of, okay, the lights don't turn on like that. It's a very very confusing mechanism, the way which kind of works, and you kind of know now how it works. Double tap and the lights turn on, kind of that, and then just keep holding on to it and it's going to turn off. Yeah, it's 75% charged at the moment, and these are the cables that it comes with, flat cable, and this is Type-C, this is the lightning cable, and this one's the micro USB cable. So you get all the three out of the box. Essentially, you don't need to carry any cables. Just use this power bank and it should help you charge your stuff. So that's interesting. It all works perfectly fine, and Yeah, what else do you have? Okay, so the lanyard can come off, of course. This is kind of how it gets kind of taken out. And I've got no idea what this is for. Maybe this is to charge this device, because this looks like USB-A. If you look this closely, looks like USB-A to me. Maybe this is also meant to be charged, I guess, to charge this device, and it goes back on and connects over here. And pull this one out. That's kind of the mechanism, as simple as that. So yeah, that's the kind of the power bank. If you've got any questions or queries, please reach out to us. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.